our very last operation is going to be a parting operation, but before we do that, we need to edit the profile tool. If you notice, some people are going to have a little bit of cut in here on the front side. We want to get rid of that. In order to get rid of that, we're going to go to edit, and we're going to come over here to this radii option, and we're going to move this inner bar down. And sometimes you can move it, sometimes you can't, sometimes it's kind of difficult, and you just want to kind of arrange it. Control Z. I'm going to go back to edit, and the best way to control it is right here, so we don't move it off axis. I did 1.15, and it brought this line, if I can turn it to the front view, maybe even this view here, it brought it to almost brought this blue line right here all the way here. So if I just drag it out a little bit more, it shouldn't take it off center, and it's just being difficult to drag it. So I would do 1.12, or I think I did 1.175, and that kind of just give me enough room. I'm going to flip it over this way, where the blue bar is not anywhere near the edge of my part and my yellow lines, and the blue bar is not going to be in any clearance issues. You know, it's not going to be out here. If I move it too far out, it will not get the contours the way I want them. So I'm going to hit OK. If I look over here on the front side of the part, you can notice that we are in the clear. So next operation we're going to do is the turning part, cut off. So this is the next turning your part, and we are going to go ahead and select the groove tool. Select OK, and I can't think of anything else you're going to need to do but select OK here. We're not going to have any offsets here. There's going to be no confinement. Let's look over here. I do not see it. The only thing I was looking to adjust would have been the it going past center, and it looks like it is. If you notice, this is our center line. It looks like it's going a little bit past center. So now if we come back in, take a look at all three of these, simulate, the facing tool is going to come in, it's going to rough it all out, and then the parting tool is going to come in, cut it off, and now we have a finished container. We're ready to make it on the CNC mill or lathe. Enjoy.